Hello friends, on this video how you can solve your Wi-Fi problem. Suppose your Wi-Fi it's not working or it's connected but it's not showing or it's not working. Okay, so you can solve it. And friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, here you have to check your Wi-Fi. Here's your Wi-Fi, whether it's connected or not, or you have dialed the correct password or not, or whether your Wi-Fi problem is from the Wi-Fi under the mobile phone or the main Wi-Fi connection. There is the problem. Okay, you have to check this all, then only you can follow the step. Okay, at first tap on setting. After that, from here you just keep scrolling. On the last icon you are going to find system. So friends, tap on system, and here at first you have to update your system update. Okay, you can just through online update, and you can check the update, then you can update your system. Okay, then just scroll down. uh, After you update your system, click on reset phone. When you tap on reset phone, here you are going to find under the reset phone, reset Wi-Fi settings. So friends, tap on reset Wi-Fi setting. From here, click on reset Wi-Fi setting, reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth. This will solve and fix your problem. Okay. So friends, I hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.